Hey, welcome to Steven Data Talk. This is your host, Steven. I'm based in Milan, Italy, and I'm inviting AI entrepreneurs, researchers, investors to my community, and I have arranged different appointments to talk with them. This will be counted as episode number 5, so I'm going to share some of my recent talks and what I plan to do with my channel. So I wish you like it. In case you have any question, if you want to explore some specific topics, just leave a comment. I'm going to check them later. So first of all, let's go back to the origination of this podcast or the community. So I enjoyed different podcasts like Lex Friedman and so on. They actually gave me a lot of inspirations about my current podcast because when people talk with each other, there are different ideas, thoughts, considerations, and so on, which could help each other to be more eloquent, to better express their ideas, and also find some opportunities. So basically, the idea is very simple that I invite different experts and we share the ideas with each other and also the greater audience. Especially now, you see there are many AI startup founders who are building their personal IP and so on. And it could be very beneficial because if you just focus on the technology, on the coding, and so on, it could be very limited, and sometimes you get stuck in your little space. Talking with others, thinking from different perspective could be very beneficial. It's just like you see different startup lessons. When you start a product, a MVP, usually the difficulty is less than grow to a different thing. It's like if your team grows to more than 5 persons, the management of relationship and the team coordination would be more important than only one or two founders at the beginning. So at this point, I think also for the tech founders or the founder plus CTO, it is also very beneficial to listen to the, let's say, investors or some other people with work experience. It could help you to find a balance, not just about technical side, but about growing a business. You need some additional perspective. And this works also for the researchers, business veterans. You need different perspectives. So, recently I have invited different experts. They are going to join my podcast in the near future. I feel very grateful for that. They are from different background. For example, some of them are from the startup like the Gongji Cloud, which is a I would say cloud coding and compute leasing company in Beijing, and also like other guests from Sketch 3D AI, from Exapa.ai, the different startups in San Francisco, and so on. And there are also some PhD students, researchers who I'm going to introduce in the future. So this is the 5th episode, and I just want to share with you some of the progress I have made so far, and let's enjoy the show in the coming days. Thank you. Bye bye.